Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada. So today we got, I guess yesterday we got this. We just kept it aside for some time, because, due to the corona. So when I receive things, what I do is I just put it aside for 2 days or 1 day, just to keep it aside, just to be safe. If there's any, if those guys go dropping sick or doesn't wear gloves. So that's the reason I keep it a little bit for some time outside. So this is the thing we received, so let me just open it, box it. Hold on, use my 2 hands just to open it, and let's see what it is. I think it's something that I've been waiting for. Wow, yes, this is what I've been waiting for. Okay, so this is the Explorer 500. Okay, so we're gonna open it now. Plantronics Explorer 500. So we are unboxing it. Okay, so this is covered like this, and we take it this way, take it out. So we take it out, and wow, this is like a heavy box. Very heavy one. So let's see what is inside the heavy box. So we got it here, the headphones. But what is inside here? It looks like a fancy design. Wow. Okay. So we got, I guess this is like a charger or something. And then we got here like the inside the box. What is inside the box? What is inside the box? Okay. What is this one here? It's like a pin number or something. And we got this booklet. I like the design, really, it's amazing. Plantronics, that's good. The way the colors they choose and everything is really amazing. Explorer 500 series, and here it talks about it. Use 2 phones. You can use 2 phones, select language. Install the app. So there's like an app that we need to install, Plantronics.com apps. So that's, you can go through the website. And what is here? Get paired. This is how you pair it. So the first time you power on your headset, it begins the pairing process. Wearing your headset, power it on. You hear pairing, and the headset indicator lights flash blue and red. Activating Bluetooth on your phone and set it to search on your device. iPhone setting Bluetooth on, and then this is the Android. Select PLT E500. That's how it would show. So here it tells you everything. So let's get to the headset itself and see how it is connected here. So I think we just need to take careful, when removing it. So I guess, okay, so there is something here in the box that it shows an arrow. What I think is we pull the arrow. So when we pull the arrow, here. So I think now, when we pull the arrow, this little box will be opening. So I think we need to pull it more, I guess. So while the box is closed, we pull the arrow, it comes out. That's good. Never knew that. So when we pull that, it means that this one here is removed, the box. So we take this down a little bit, and then we go back. We push it inside gently, and I guess we get it out. So we get it out safely. It's the way they made it is really amazing. I don't have to read the booklet or anything just to remove this box. So it just showed me the direction, and that's what I thought it will do. So now this is how it looks. How amazing it is. And it's very nice. It's nice designed. So what I'll just go with the pairing process. So this is how you put it in your ear. So I'll try with the red, with the right side. So let's see. So there is like a button here which shows that to switch it on. So that'll be down here on my ears, if you see here. So that I think I'll have to take it off. 3 hours, something like that, and then it talked in another language. So wearing your headset power on, your hair pairing, and the headset indicators lights flash blue and red. So does it flash blue and red?
Yeah.
Did it? Okay. Activating the photo. So as we say it here, we just go to process. We'll go on the phone itself, which we are recording on, and we'll just Bluetooth and on, and then search for this PLT5.